Hello, my name is Thomas. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. The reason I'm contacting you today is I found your site here on the web and I wanted to give you a free analysis of some things you could do with your existing site as far as getting more calls through through the website to bring you obviously more business. So I wanted to go over a couple things. First thing, you got a pretty nice site here. Like the work that you do. You do obviously great work. Love the pictures, like how you have this set up, and basically, you guys have done a really good job as far as the aesthetics part of the site. So well done. What you might again, I'm gonna go some pictures here. This is awesome. I like your work. You do really good work with stamped concrete. Now, I wanted to bring this to your attention. One thing I did notice your site here, you're pretty much on the bottom of page two, and unfortunately, most people don't go past page one. So what we could do with your existing site here is what we probably need to do is you have great pictures, but we need to add more content. Google loves glitter-related content. They give your website more kudos, and that pushes you further up in the rankings, which in turn gives you more phone calls. Another thing that you could do to improve your rankings is to get your site possibly even rebuilt to make it mobile friendly. Right now, it's not. If I were to bring this on my phone, basically it would be usable, and then we just move on to competitors. So if I was a potential client, so something we're going to get fixed right away. Again, love your Facebook page. You've done a really good job. Again, great pictures of the work that you do as far as just either simple jobs or the more stamped concrete. So, a good job on that as well. So, if you're interested in getting your site rebuilt and redone with more basic content, better pictures, updated pictures, pictures of either stock photos or stuff that you provide, based more content, things that's going to really help you get your business to pop out and to be mobile friendly so people on tablets and their smartphones can use it a lot better and actually call you. Uh, basically, you just give me a call or send me an email. I'll leave my confirmation in the email I send to you with this webcast, and you have a great day.